Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's some kind of puff stitch and I use cotton yarn with this, and you can use it for your summer project. With cotton, with wool, you can use it for your beanies, and I made this one with a jute yarn. It's that, and you can use with this yarn for your bags easily. And now I will use Kartopu Love Cotton again, and 4.5mm crochet hook too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I'll start with the slip knots and chain and even numbers. Make your chains loosey. It's 12. That's enough for me. And now I'll turn and make single crochets. Skip this first chain, and into that next chain insert your hook here, grab the yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops and make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make a single crochet and keep making single crochets. You will have an odd number of single crochet. For me, it's 11. Just keep making single crochets. And that's the last one. For the row 2, I will start with a chain. Turn. Now we will start to make our puff stitch from this first stitch. Insert my hook into that first stitch, grab the yarn and pull it. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn and pull. Yarn over again and make it one more time. 2, 4 and 6. I have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through from all the loops and make a chain for close this puff. Skip this next single crochet and into the next one. Make the same thing again. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn and pull it. Yarn over, make the same. Yarn over, and that's the last time. Yarn over and pull it through from all the loops and chain. Skip one into the next one. 1, 2, 3. Close it with a chain. Skip 1, 2, 3. try to make this poofs, all of these poofs with the same height, because it looks good like that. And in the end, skip one. That's my last single crochet. I will make my last poof into here and make a chain for to close this poof. For row 3, turn your work. We will repeat the same pattern actually, and into here, starting from here. Insert my hook, grab the yarn, pull it, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over, and close this puff. Into the next stitch, I will make the same thing again. 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. And here, 1, 2, 3. Here again. And in the end, I will make one more here. Insert my hook here. 1, 2, 3. Close with a chain. For the next row, I will start with the same way. Insert my hook here. 1, 2, 3. Close with a chain. Into the next one. 1, 2, 3. And yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the end, I will make the same thing from here. And when you complete all the rows, how you close it? We made a chain here, as you know. Turn, and into that first stitch, make a single crochet. Into here, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, make it again. And here again. Let's keep making like that. Make one for here. And here. Make the last one. So that's it. That's easy. You can use it for any way you want. And I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.